Good morning and welcome to a day in the life of a real estate agent. It's a Saturday morning and I'm currently getting ready to go hold an open house at the beaches. I just wanted to show you guys my process and kind of take you on the journey of what it's like to hold an open house, the steps I take to get ready for it, and all of that. So let's go. First, breakfast is important. All right, so coffee is done, hair and makeup is done. Now it's time to get dressed. Here is my outfit. I know it's really dark. A nice little long sleeve, my navy blue pants, and some cute heels. All right, so now I'm gonna get all my stuff together and we'll head out. Okay, so as you just saw from those last kind of terrible clips, I got all my signs up. I just started getting everything together and everything set up. It is 11:59. The open house starts at 12. So I just wanted to kind of explain my process of how I do open houses. I start by looking through all of our company listings because you want to do open houses obviously for your own company. So I look through all of Coldwell Banker's listings. I find something in the area that I like to work in. So today I chose the beach. I like working at the beaches because it's just my favorite area of town and I know a lot about what's near and I can kind of help the buyer find exactly where they want to live. So I found this listing. It's really amazing. It's a duplex, which is kind of a rare find at the beach. So it comes with both units. It is 3 bedrooms and 2 baths in each side. So you can buy it, live in one half, and rent out the other, which I think is an awesome opportunity for investment. So I reached out to the agent whose listing this is, and I called her and I was like, hi, would you mind if I do an open house for you this weekend? I love that listing and would really love the opportunity to show it. She said yes, so then she puts down the MLS and I did a little bit of advertising for it on my own Facebook and Instagram. I created a cute little flyer. I'll like try to insert this somewhere on here. And I shared that with everyone on my business Facebook page and my regular Facebook page. So that's basically how you get an open house. When it's more of a buyer's market and people are trying to really get their houses sold, they will ask, like, anyone want to do an open house for me this weekend? But because listings have been going off the market in days, like you have to check every week to see what's available still if you want to do an open house that weekend, because a lot of the listings on the market are barely lasting a day or two. It's that crazy right now in Florida. So that's about it. So when I walked in, I unlocked the door. I need to turn all the lights on, but it's nice and bright in here because it's noon. But I'll turn some lights on. So this half of the duplex is staged. It looks really great. So I think I'm gonna give you guys a little tour, and the other half of the duplex is empty. So I'm probably just gonna go over there if some buyers wanted to look at it, just to see if it's in the exact same condition as this one. And so they can see the exact amount of space they're getting. So I'll give you guys a tour. All right, so when you walk in, you're in this little living room, a nice vaulted ceiling. Then you have your little kitchen dining room. This is where I set up my sign-in sheet. So people can sign in, give me their information. This is the flyer I created for the event. And then this is the MLS information sheet, which gives you square footage, price, all of that. Then I set up my cards right here. Here is the kitchen. Lots of cabinet space, oven, fridge. It's very quaint, little beach bungalow. From here, this is the master, I believe. You have a nice view to your backyard, which is a lot of space because it is a duplex, so you would share your backyard with your neighbor. But obviously you can choose who rents out the other side. Here is a closet. They're having barn doors made. I can show you the other side. They have the barn doors over there. First bathroom, little shower, toilet. Then from there, you can go upstairs. Here's a nice little closet. That's lots of storage space, which is amazing in a smaller place like this. I love what they did with the stairs. There's the other bathroom. Then we have bedroom number 2. Ooh, good closet. And bedroom number 3. Beautiful view of the backyard. Another closet. The bedrooms are nice and spacious, which is great for a home at the beach. A lot of them that are older have smaller bedrooms. I'm gonna talk to you guys again. I have my mask on because we had people in here. But yeah, a lot of the older homes in the beaches have smaller bedrooms just because was the style when they were built. So the nice spacious bedrooms in here is a really big deal. They also just recently updated this place, so it's in really great condition. Okay, it is now 12:51. I started at noon and I've already had 4 different couples come in looking at this home. So everyone knows this is a really good opportunity. Investing at the beach is such an amazing thing because the real estate's only gonna go up. Who wouldn't wanna live 5 blocks from the ocean? So a duplex here is really great because again, you have the renters on the other side. That's helping you a lot. So everyone who has come in has been really interested in this property. So we'll see. I have about another hour left. My open houses are just 2 hours. From 12 to 2, I will be here answering all the questions that the buyers might have and helping them kind of figure out exactly what they want to do next. All right, I'm back home. My open house is done. I didn't film a lot of it because you don't think about this when you're gonna start filming, but it's a lot more work than you realize when you're doing your normal life. You're like, oh, I'll just film my normal life, what I normally do. It's not gonna be a big deal, but it's harder than you think. I had so many people come in and out. I think I ended up having like 16 people total. So that's a lot of potential buyers that I got to meet with, which is really exciting. A lot of people were coming in just like super excited about the opportunity to have a property like that at the beach because it is so rare to find something, especially those duplexes never go for sale. The owners like literally will just rent them out for their entire lives. So that was really cool. I hope someone gets back to me today and wants to put an offer in. That would be the icing on the cake. I would definitely film another video of that whole process because that would be really fun to see it go from open house to contract, but we'll see. Now I am ready to just get in some comfy clothes. I'm gonna work out and then probably just chill. Had a really successful day. Just like, I'm gonna sit. It was just really nice hearing what everyone was in the market for and getting to better practice my skills because I am a newer agent. So my goal is to do an open house every weekend for the entire year. Obviously, I know that's not always gonna happen, but it's a good goal to have. So maybe I will try to keep vlogging and show my process and progress, and I think that would be really fun. Let me know if you have any questions about open houses or contract processes, anything like that, real estate related. I'll try my best to answer it in another video or in the comments, but I just want to make this channel to kind of showcase my journey with real estate. I am a new agent, so I think I'm going to make an introduction video too because I'm doing it a little backwards. So I'm a new agent. I just started in October of 2020. It is now January of 2021. Real estate is a very exciting career, but it's a tough process getting started. So I wanted to make this to kind of just for myself highlight my progress and help other people who are just getting started in this industry understand how it goes and the trials and everything in between, and help buyers or sellers who have questions about real estate and they're just wanting to look up. I know anytime I have a question about anything, I look on YouTube, so I think this will be a lot of fun. I'm gonna try to get better at filming the in and outs of things, like even when I was driving to pick up my signs. That would honestly be pretty funny for you to watch because I'm wearing my heels and my nice outfit and I'm picking signs up out of the dirt and driving and then having to put my car in park. I need some kind of partner to help me with signs, but overall it was a great day. I think that's it for today, but thank you for watching, and I hope you continue to follow this journey with me. Bye.